Well, welcome back to Military Model Paul, and this is my next build. I'm waiting for Greg to get ready to do the next build, and he's still working on his diorama, and it's looking fantastic. He's got 3 vehicles, a bridge, and all sorts of things, so it's a large diorama. So I'm not worried about when we start our next project, but I thought I need to keep going. I've actually finished basically, apart from a bit of weathering up the armoured car. I had a problem with that, and I'll explain that in the little update video for that. And then I'm going to do a bit of pencil weathering on it, just to give it a bit of weathering. I've got another one coming still. I bought another kit for that, but I'll explain that later anyway, about the car, the Volkswagen tank training vehicle anyway. So here we go. So this is the TAKOM kit. It's the 1/4 ton 4x4 utility truck, Jeep as we call it. It's 1/16 and the number is 1016, and it's a really lovely looking vehicle. I like the Jeep anyway, and I built a little 35th scale, and the figure is in there, and I'm going to build the figure of this one. I'm actually going to do it, and I might do it as the one on the box or the military police one. Not sure really, yeah. Or it's Marine Corps in Korea 1950. I'm not sure, but that I can decide that as we go along, because our vehicle is exactly the same, just different decals. So we can do that later. Right, just to show you what's in the box here. That I haven't started it, and there's the instructions. And what I'm going to do with this build is I'm going to show the instructions as I go through the kit as I build. I think it'd be a better way of doing that, and that's okay. And I'm glad that it's not rubber tyres, it's actually plastic. There's the figure, it's all in this packet. There's the decals. The reason this packet's open because I took the instructions out to have a look. So that's the decals, and there they go, all the bits and pieces. Might replace that shovel bit with a make a PE bracket out, because I haven't got a PE kit set for this one. And there's the engine. So it's all in its bits in packets, as you can see. I haven't took anything out. I have got a couple of add-ons here. There you go. And there's a head. You can replace the head from the figure. So I might do that. But there's a bit of luggage for the vehicle. And then you've got the seat cushions in this one. And it's made by Blast, the cushions, resin, and they look quite nice. And also I might place in that, and then the bit 2 pads you see on the side where we get in and out. So really interesting to do. And then as you can see, still all the things are in the packets all the way through that one there, and the clear parts. There you go. Right, so I'm going to put them all back in the order they were. Might do a bit of wiring on the engine of this one as well. Good thing is this is quite small, so if it comes to the fact that I do start my next build, oops, put that on there and that there, and do start the next build with Greg, I can actually keep this in a little box ready to go and carry on afterwards. But anyway, good chance I'll finish it first anyway. So thank you very much for watching this quick introduction build video, and I'll catch you in the next update for this. Happy modelling, and stay safe out there. It's getting a bit dodgy, as they say. I'm back slightly because I thought I might have show the box a little bit there. There's this bit on that one. There you go, just get it in. The other side has just got the sprues, and the end is pretty much obvious. There it is. I've actually set this camera now to be on f8 for depth of field, so it seems to be better for that because it keeps more things in focus. So that's what I've done for this build and this. And I put this up because it tilts slightly and it keeps it in focus. There you go. Right, now that is the end of this video, and I'll catch you in the first update. Happy modelling.